To schedule SMS on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is just go for the Messages application, and from here select any contact that you'd like to send scheduled message. So I will select this one, and after that simply go for this text box, type in any message that you'd like to schedule, and after that, instead of pressing this send button, press and hold it, and right here this tab will appear with the schedule, so you can set up the schedule for tomorrow at any time right here, or you can pick this date and time yourself. So let's tap on this one and let's select this date to send this message a week later. Press next, on the next week, and after that here you can set up the hour to send this message. So let's set it up to 7 a.m. Press set, and now as you can see there appeared on the right up above this text box, here you can see the date of this schedule. So after that you can simply press this button to send this message, and now is this scheduled. You will be able to see this right here in the scheduled messages. And additionally, as you tap on this message, on this like a small green circle right here, as you tap on this one, you can, like, for example, update this message. You can change the details of this message. You can also, like, oh, it disappeared. No, it is still here. So let's like set it up real quick. Alright, and after you tap on this circle again, you can update the message, you can send it now, and you can also delete message completely. So that's basically how you can do this.